Hello everyone, and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 154. Today we show you how to effectively find and organize stuff in your Google Drive. Okay, first you should remember that Google Drive is made by Google, which means search is at the heart of the application. Search is your friend. You can find the search bar at the top of the screen, and most of us are familiar with that, but that's also where a lot of people stop. One recent update as the time of this video are the search chips. These smart filters appear after you perform a search, not before, and they're meant to help you further refine your search. Try it out. If you'd rather have more precision before you get search results, click the sliders icon to the right-hand side of the search bar. This lets you specify things such as the type of file, the owner, even if it's just not you. You can search in specific folders or even the trash. You can even search by date modified, approvals, who it's shared with, or if there are any action items or suggestions. Combine these to drill down to exactly what you need. Okay, let's talk about shortcuts and why they're super helpful for finding things. Shortcuts can be created to Google Drive items by right-clicking and choosing Add Shortcut to Drive, but also by holding the Control button, clicking and holding the selection for a moment, then dragging the file to where you want the shortcut to be. If you don't hold it for a while, it may just drag a selection instead. So make sure you hold the Control button, click and hold the selection for a moment, and then drag. Shortcuts are very helpful when you want a file to be accessible in more than one place at the same time. Resist the urge to make copies of files, since it divorces them from each other. With a shortcut, you can always link back to the original file, reducing redundancy and keeping everything current. Renaming and contents. Renaming files can help with finding them. Be sure to name files with descriptive titles though. Notes is accurate but really vague. Learning Stream Notes Zoom meeting March 1st, 22 is a much more helpful name. Also, keep in mind that hashtags in the body of a file can help you find things, as can emojis in the titles and so on. For more information on emojis and searching contents, see Tech Tuesday number 142 and 143. We'll link them in the description. Start items and workspaces. You can star items in your Google Drive for quick access. Just right-click on them or use the star icon when you're in the document itself. This will then make them show up in the starred section on the left main menu. It's also a toggleable search filter in advanced search. Use stars for items that you often use, or maybe something you need to just get back to really quickly on a short-term basis. Just remember that if you star everything, then it kind of defeats the purpose. Unstar items that you haven't used in a while. Now, for more long-term starring, you could create a folder called, important. And you can create shortcuts and put them there to stuff. Or you can be even more efficient and use Workspaces. We cover Workspaces in Tech Tuesday number 81, which we'll link in the description, but the basics are this. Workspaces are collections of files that can be anywhere in your Google Drive. You can access them in the priority section on the left-hand menu. There, you can create new ones and modify existing ones. And to apply them, you just right-click a file and you can send it to a workspace. You can even create new ones from this pop-up. These are really handy for projects or workflows that include files scattered all over your Google Drive. Okay, and now for a bonus tip. Did you know that you can search your Google Drive from the address bar in Chrome? Yeah, just open up a new tab and click on the address bar and then start typing drive.google.com. If you have this feature turned on, you can see a search chip in the suggested list. You can either click that or you can hit tab to set the search engine to Google Drive, which will then take you to Google Drive and show you the results after you perform a search. If you don't have this feature, or it doesn't seem to be working for you there, you can enable it or even customize it. Click on the kebab at the top right-hand corner of your Google Chrome and choose Settings. Then on the left-hand side, choose Search Engine. Then click Manage Search Engines. Look for Google Drive, and if you find it, you can use the kebab to the right-hand side of it to change the keyword that's going to activate it. You could simplify it like just Drive. And then later, type in Drive in your address bar and hit Tab, and it will then search your Google Drive only. If it's not listed, you can add it. Click Add, then fill out the form. The search engine would be Google Drive. The keyword could be whatever you want, like Drive. And the URL is the only really tricky part. You'll need to type this exactly or copy paste it. I'll also leave it in the video description. Now, once you've set that up, it should work pretty easily. While we're here, notice that there are other search engines that you can easily activate from the address bar, like YouTube. I tend to shorten that to just YT and of course tab. So if I need to find a YouTube video, I go to my address bar now, I type YT, hit the tab button, and then search for the video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Why not support us and click that subscribe button, click the bell icon to receive email notifications, check out our new mobile app in the description, leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below, share it with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.